How does an electricity transformer work in the power grid? Imagine a giant relay race where energy is passed smoothly from one runner to the next. That's similar to how electricity transformers help move power efficiently across the grid. When power plants generate electricity, it's at a relatively low voltage. But to send it over long distances without losing much energy, the voltage needs to be much higher. That's where transformers come in. They are like the traffic controllers of the power grid, adjusting voltage levels to keep everything flowing smoothly. Inside a transformer, there are two sets of wire coils called windings. One is called the primary winding, and the other is the secondary winding. Both are wrapped around a core made of iron or steel. When alternating current flows into the primary winding, it creates a magnetic field that constantly changes because of the alternating nature of the current. This changing magnetic field then induces a voltage in the secondary winding. The ratio of the number of turns in each coil determines whether the voltage is increased or decreased. If the secondary winding has more turns than the primary, the transformer steps up the voltage. This is called a step-up transformer, and it helps electricity travel long distances with less energy lost as heat. When the electricity reaches a city or neighborhood, a different transformer called a step-down transformer reduces the voltage to safer, usable levels for homes and businesses. This process ensures that the electricity is at the right voltage for safe use. Transformers don't need an external power source to operate. They are passive devices that transfer energy from one coil to another with very high efficiency. The iron core helps guide the magnetic field, making the transfer more effective. Most of the energy from the primary coil ends up in the secondary coil, with only a small amount lost as heat. Power companies relying heavily on transformers to keep the grid stable. Proper placement and maintenance prevent outages and reduce energy waste. They also have safety features like fire barriers and oil containment systems to keep everything secure. Without transformers, moving electricity efficiently and safely from power plants to your home would be impossible. They are the silent workhorses that keep the lights on and the world running smoothly.